Time for this week's very important recycle push. You'll take home a jar and fill it with the plastic waste that can't be recycled. Take 1 jar each and please bring it back on Friday.
Save on rubbish, leave it be. We don't have a planet B.
I can't wait to do this. We're brilliant at recycling.
What? Well, it's just... Royals don't exactly have a simple lifestyle.
That's not true. We live a very normal life. I'll show you. Mother, Father, I have the school assignment and...
Sure, darling, sounds fine. How about this?
It does?
Yes, I just need to... We've just got the state dinner in a few days' time.
The state dinner? Oh, no. Excess. Oh, no, it's like they said.
Don't worry, darling. I have a plan. We're doing it like a children's party. The dignitaries will love the novelty of it. Solves the issue of silverware.
Even worse, it'll fill the jar immediately.
Young people these days.
Or they could take it in turns to eat.
How terribly undignified. Terribly...
You're right, Mr. P. Terrible.
Huh? I was going to say common.
What on earth is going on?
Nothing, Mother. We're just preparing for the state dinner.
We have a plan, Grandmother. And we're going to show everyone that the Royals can recycle with the best of them.
We are?
State dinners are meant to impress, not depress.
That's exactly what my classmate said. Royal excess, no success.
They said that.
Oh,
But we'll show them we can recycle.
Oh, Stella, so nice to see you.
Hello.
Here you are.
Oh, thanks. No royal excess. We can make this a success.
How shall I put it? Very imaginative.
Where are the other tea bags?
Less plastic. You can reuse this one?
Oh,
Good thinking, Stella.
Hello. Huh? Oh.
So, I hear the castle.
Oh, if they keep bringing presents, the jar's going to overflow. It won't all fit.
I've had a good idea, Your Highness.
I'm so sorry. What are you doing, Mr. P?
Your teacher didn't say anything about the size of the jar.
The royal butler bottles it.
Molly! Oh no.
You're doing such good work, Stella. Come with me, please. In breaking further with tradition at this state dinner,
Good one, good one.
I think Princess Stella, who planned it all, should say a few words.
Hello. So our school this week is doing a recycle push. All plastic had to go in here.
That's my girl.
Save on rubbish, leave it be. We don't have a planet B. Obviously, it's not just about today's state dinner. We must plan beyond that. If we don't, there won't be a planet to have state dinners on.
Oh, so well said.
Save on rubbish, leave it be. We don't have a planet B. Come on, everybody, repeat after me. Save on rubbish, leave it
Isn't
be.
she
We don't have a planet B.
Save on rubbish, leave it be. We don't have a planet B.
Save on rubbish, leave it be. We don't have a planet B.
Save on rubbish, leave it be.
We don't have a planet B.
You always tell us to set a good example.
Yes, I suppose we do have a slight situation here.
Maybe it's a learning experience.
Oh.
Molly?
Waste. Waste.
That is not helpful, Molly.
Actually, maybe it is. We can do Earth Week for the rest of the week. Earth Hour shouldn't be just for an hour anyway, should it?
It's an admirable idea, Stella, but in practice, it just won't work.
Well, maybe she's onto something.
Yay!
But we will need a plan. A royal announcement. The royal family will not consume any electricity for 1 week. Starting from now.
Yay! We had to switch off everything. And the laptops and the phones. Everybody was happy to join in.
We get to brush our teeth in the dark?
Yes! Your own teeth.
Fun! And it is for the planet.
I'm ready! Sorry, it's so dark in here.
I'm also ready. Can we walk to school together?
Bye!
Wow!
How do I look?
Huh? Impressive?
Is this the new look of the monarchy?
I'm ready.
Such a wimp. It's gonna be awesome.
Come on. It's not like you normally remember.
We've decided we're going to switch off for a whole week. We started last night.
Cool, what a great idea.
Is that why you're wearing your top inside out?
Huh?